So I just changed the batteries in the transmitter and did some alterations to the expo. I'm also going to try flaps for takeoff. It wasn't that much of a problem, but also whether it makes a difference, and flaps for landing as well. Yeah, those changes to the expo have made a difference. It's much more controllable. Oh, that bloody motor sounds terrible unless it's the top. Right, let's just check out what happens when we put the flaps on. Not a lot, and then it goes down. Okay, that's a good thing. So, okay, let's do a bit of a fly around first. Yeah, that's definitely made a difference to that. I like that. So low rates both. 35% expo. It's 85% elevator and 75% Aerolon. Well, it's not supposed to rain today, but they look like thunderclouds to me. We have had a couple of storms lately. It's a bit unusual, but hey, Well, I suppose if we can get it up high enough, we might just try some limited, yeah, that's much better, limited aerobatics. I know they can do it, because I've got a little one, which does it great. However, this will do it great, because it's not really got the power. Yeah, it struggles a bit to climb up there. So it's probably got good endurance. Not necessarily anything else though. Oh, yeah, it's a bit tricky to work out which way it's going. Yeah, well, I suppose that qualifies as some kind of I think it's going to need a more powerful motor to do anything like that. Not that that has been bought with that in mind, because it hasn't. It was bought with cruising endurance in mind. So let's just test out these flaps for landing. I've got a crosswind over there, or cross something. So I think we can come down the length of the strip, more or less. Yep. Yeah, okay. Takeoff flaps really didn't seem to be particularly effective. Might have to revisit that. And I'm still fascinated with the flipping offset on the elevators. Oh, hello. That's just general. Probably do with them being tightened up. It's just wobbly. Yeah, that's probably got something to do with that, hasn't it? Yeah, looks alright. Yeah, definitely need servo protectors. And certainly need to think about that, because it's despite the fact that I put a bit of laminate on the bottom, it does take a bit of a cruncher. Holy what? Only just. is, not bad. Hands off, yep. Yep. Whether that's conditions today or whether it just wants to fly that way. It wants to fly that way. Hands off. Okay. Nice when it wants to go that way. It needs some differential maybe. I doubt whether it's got a roll in it. Hasn't got much of a climb in it. Runs out of power. It's quite heavy. I might have to look at a different motor. Still, Maiden wise, we've got it sort of trimmed, we've got the expo sorted out, we're relatively happy. Think it might need a new motor, bearings sound like they're shot. Yeah. I'll try not to fly into this Chinook. Probably won't come anywhere near me anyhow. Because that would be just too ironic. Yeah, I like it. It's sedate. I'm not sure I like the motor though. I think the motor's buggered. Yeah. Yeah, I get it. It's fairly stable though, I give it that. Yep, happy with that. Good job, well done. I made a couple of mistakes in the build. Forgot to put the plates in the blooming wing supports, I guess. So I had to cut the foam and glue them in. Glue the foam back again. So the instructions were lacking in that department. A picture was worth 1,000 words. It was worth about 5 words. Get a better manual. Please. There we go. Cool, yeah, I'm happy with that. Good job, well done.